Dear students, we are going to start the plumbing workshop. Now we can see here on the table, we can see the different plumbing fittings here. Before that, I am going to tell something about plumbing. Plumbing is concerned with installing, joining and repairs of pipelines which carries fluids like gases and water. Okay. In modern urban life, water and sewerage pipe, baths and toilets, etc. are become the integrated parts of any building. In industrial undertakings, the pipelines are used for supplying compressed air, water, steam, oil, chemical fluids, refrigerants, or anything that can flow through the pipes. In boilers, you can see the copper pipes are there that can conduct from the heat from the furnace to the drum. And in olden times, concrete pipes were used for sewerage and water drainage purposes. And for water supply in household purposes, galvanized iron or GI pipes are used for water supplies. Now you can see the pipelines are coming in the standard lengths. You have to make it for our concerned intended engineering function. You have make cut the pieces, joint and bend, and according to the intended engineering function, we have make the pipes. And the pipes are dependent upon the materials. Are specified by materials. One specified by material, the inside diameter or internal diameter or wall thickness, length, and surface treatment like plating and galvanizing, etc. The pipes are the material of the pipes depends upon the fluid passing through it. See, if it is passing a water or it's used for a water supply, GI pipe, galvanized iron pipes are used. Or for sewerage line, cemented pipes are used. For steel pipe, for fabrication purposes, and aluminum pipe for the furniture manufacturing, and glass pipes is used for laboratory works, laboratory purposes, and the PVC flexible is used for water supply, and PVC hard is used for electrical conduits. A rubber is used for connector to the LPG. And these are different materials depends upon the fluids passing through this. And you can see the fittings and joints. You can see that the fitting accessories are mainly used for connecting two different sections or three different sections by T pipe like this, T section and union, and this T cross pipes, bend, and for changing the dimensions and flow, direction of flow and diameter, also we are used for this accessories of fittings. Okay, this you can see what is it? This is for threading purposes. We are use tabs and dies are used for internal threading and external threading. And the wrench is used for This wrench is used for pipe wrench is called, and pipe vise is for this wrench is used for tightening and loosening the pipes, and this pipe vise is used for any other operations, for fitting the pipes inside the pipe vise, threading, cutting, and many operations we are used for pipe vise. And pipe bending equipments is for the pipe bending for GY pipes for piping works. Okay, in main water lines, cast iron pipes are used, that is fabricated according to the requirements. Okay. Now we have seen the spirit level and measuring tape, the monkey player, hammer, okay, and this control valves or the taps and control valves are used to control the flow of water inside the pipe. Okay. Now you can see what are the different types of fasteners. So there are two types of fasteners are there. Permanent fasteners and temporary fasteners. Temporary fasteners are like nuts and bolts. You can assemble and disassemble without damage to the nut and bolt and the parts joint. But permanent fasteners are like riveting and welding. Okay? So, in order to remove that permanent, we have to damage both the fasteners, temporary permanent fasteners, and the parts that are to be joined. Okay, now our colleague, Mr. Augustine, will show how to a demonstration of how to thread a PVC pipe in our workshop here.
Explain you about the plumbing. So I am going to show you how to do the threading. Actually we are not going to do threading for PVC pipe. So threading is done only for GI pipe. So for GI pipe it is very difficult to do the threading for you. That's why I am going to show you how to do the threading on a PVC pipe. Okay. Before that, for threading we need a die set. This is a die set. Okay. So die set can be dismantled. You can dismantle it, and if you are going to carry it on the side, so it is easier for the plumber to carry it. So we can dismantle. It is having two handles. You can see, and this is the main part which will help us to do the threading. So after going on the side, we have to assemble it. Assemble the handles, both the sides. Okay, so after assembling, you have to first see the diameter of the pipe. Okay, suppose we are going to do threading for half-inch pipe. The pipes are available in inches. So the pipe, it will start with half-inch, then it is 3/4, then it will become 1 inch. Okay, and after 1 inch it will become 1/4 and 1.5 inch, and then it will go on increasing.